Hey guys, so fishing with the boat, and we're just, right now we're just gonna try taking a lure out there.
Don't stop.
What we're gonna do is, he's just gonna drive it out there. I'll let my line out. Gosh, it's squishy. And then I'll just snap it off. Wait, let me open up my bell. Okay. Yeah, you're good. Snap it off? Yeah. Oops, gosh dang it. Well, I didn't do much. Can you go slower?
No.
Oh no, that's one speed. Okay, then it'd be impossible to troll.
We can always still try.
You could pull this over by the trees over on the other side.
Oh, yeah. Also, when you pull off, just don't pull it so hard.
Yeah, I was not expecting that, let me tell you. And maybe I should put on a lure that I can I don't know, let's give it another try with this one, I guess. Should we bring it over to the trees, or, well, man, the wind just came out of nowhere. Just trying this, see if we can get bass. But I'll switch to a trout lure in a minute. Almost forgot to flip the bell. I flipped it just in time. Is that almost out of range? Okay, should I snap it off? Nope, it's still on your... Yeah. Oh, there we go. Wow, you really taped it on there good. Should I put on an HD trout? Or Castmaster? Let's try. Okay, I'm ready. Go left a little bit. What? Go left a little bit. To get on the, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Hopefully it's not hooked on anything.
Probably do it. Yeah. Well, it came off, so we're going to wait to pull my boat back in.
Oh, I see, so you don't double scare the fish. That's a left or right trim, huh? Oh, it must have come off.
You're holding it, bro.
No, I wasn't. It just stopped, coming off. That's okay. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't get any bites here when I was here with Nate a few weeks ago.
Let's just see how far I can take it out. I think I'm at the bridge.
Dang, that's insane.
Yeah, I'm going to come back now.
Ooh, gross. I mean, gnarly. Almost slipped and fell in the water. Ooh, actually, I got that lipless crank in the car. Stupid. Gosh dang it. I grabbed my lipless crank, try to get some bass. Did you see that cast? So we're over here fishing. Moved over here. Just trying for bass. I mean, I've had trout bite lipless cranks before, which is crazy to think about. I'm using a light one, which I don't know how smart or dumb that is. I figured it would stand out in the water a little bit more, but thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, or you know, whatever. Like, we fished with the boat for a little bit until it died. Went a lot farther than we thought it would, so that's cool. See you guys later.